So hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. Well, this is me Rudra Dharwa, the trainer of this institute. So guys, this is our first video of this new year and this is very unique guys. You know that we always bring or this institution always brings new type of unique video for you all to boost your confidence and to enhance your English. Today also guys, we have brought a new kind of session for you all and for everyone to boost and to enhance their English. So what is that unique thing? Yes guys, that is called blogging. Today we are going to make blog here. Excuse me guys, I'm not throwing my words exactly. I am telling the truth. You might be thinking guys, making a blog is very easy. I know it is easy, but when it is easy, when everything is appeared around us, and that time if we are describing about those things, then it is easy. But guys, if there is nothing and whatever things is available around there, and if we speak apart from those things, that time it creates a sin. That time it becomes hard. So that we are going to speak today. Whichever thing is appears here, we are going to speak apart from these things. This is the developing way of our imagination. This is the power of our imagination. This is the power of our thoughts guys. If we have good imagination, then and if we can imagine the things that we are going to speak, then of course we can speak better. So that thing, you just wait and watch guys what we are going to do today. So guys, I will not bore you exactly. So now I'm giving you an overview to how to make blog. After that, trainees will come one by one and they will make their blog. So hello guys, I welcome you all to my blog, Rudra English blog. So I'm so sorry you are not a person of English, because this blog will be made in English language guys. So today guys, I'm going to a place which is so beautiful, which you have never imagined about that place. So by the way guys, that is a little bit far from my village. Now I am going, and this is my bike, you can see here. So I will go now by my bike. So let's see, some friends are mine are coming there on the way, so I have to wait for them. But guys, wait and watch. I will show you the beauty of that nature and the beauty of that environment, or the beauty of that place. So guys, so guys, finally I have reached to the place where I had ever imagined and I had ever thought of that place. So you can see here guys, this is a chair exactly which is kept here, and people say that like in ancient time the kings, queens used to sit on this chair, and this is so ancient, and we are not permitted to touch it exactly, but we can take photos. So if you want, then you can take a photo of mine guys. So visit this place. This is so famous. The name is unknown place. Come and visit. I welcome you guys. So in this way we are going to make blog today. This is so excellent, this is so marvelous, this is so amazing guys, because this is the way to develop our imagination power. So are you all ready? So now one by one has to come here and make their blog. Okay,
I bought two tickets and I entered to forest. There is very dangerous forest, and so guys, you can see here everything, and whenever you come here, and whenever you see here guys, and you can see very big trees, and trees have not branch. And so guys, look here, there is very waterfall and you can take a bath. So this forest is very dangerous and very beautiful as well. So I am excited to in forest. So these animals are very beautiful
So I am happy. And birds are flying and very and many birds flying. So this place is very beautiful. Hello guys, welcome to my new blog, Jamuna blog. So my name is Jamuna Nak, a student of class 8. So now we are going to picnic to a new place that people say often to go there and to enjoy there. So let's go. So I think I don't tell you, I go with my family members and let's go there. So finally I reach here and there are many people already came here and they do fishes and there are many hills and there are
Continue.
so I think guys I like to talk about
Plan.
climb to that hill but I cannot climb there. So my parents start to cooking. Let's show you. Show you. So my mother cutting. So guys, my mother cutting potato and many kind of thing like, and then my friends also enjoy there and let's go talk with another person. Hi brother, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. And you?
I am also fine.
So where are you from? I'm from Kolkata.
I'm from Bhubaneswar.
Okay, and you?
I am from Bolangir.
Oh,
Do you know that place? Why have you come to this place?
actually, we come to picnic here, and many people say this place is very good to enjoy and to do fishes. So we can and do fish. So we come here. And you?
We enjoy her and we describe other thing and we enjoy actually.
So what is your name?
So my name is Satya Prakash.
And you?
My name is Santosh Chanan and your name?
My name is Jamuna Nak.
So it was not as easy as ABC to make a blog without seeing the appeared thing exactly. And they did their best. They made a lot of mistake as well, but this is the beginning of their English journey. So making a mistake means learning new things. You also guys never afraid of making mistakes. You are allowed. Be happy when you are making mistakes, when you are making errors exactly. When you make errors, then you learn new things. So you also make a lot of errors. Actually, I also make so many mistakes in my speaking, but I never feel guilty. So this is the end of our blogging video exactly. So if you like, then definitely give a like to this video, and if you are new here guys, then hit the subscribe button and please put one single comment in the comment box so that we could be motivated and we could be inspired by you guys by seeing your comment and by reading your comment, and that will help us to make more videos. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Thanks.